The basics of food nutrition and the key nutrients for our healthy lifestyle is today's video topic. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the essentials of basic food nutrition. Understanding what is on your plate is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. We will cover the key nutrients your body needs, their roles, and how to make informed food choices. Let us get started. First, let us talk about what nutrition really means. Nutrition is the science of how food affects the body. It is all about understanding the nutrients in food and how they contribute to your health. There are 6 essential nutrients your body needs: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each of these plays a unique role in keeping you healthy and energized. Now, let us move on to carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy. You can find them in foods like bread, pasta, rice, fruits, and vegetables. But did you know there are 2 types of carbohydrates? Simple carbohydrates are sugars that provide quick energy, and you will find them in fruits, milk, and sweets. However, it is important to enjoy them in moderation, as too much sugar can lead to health issues. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables, provide sustained energy. They are also a great source of fiber, which supports digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Next, let us talk about proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. They are essential for repairing tissues, making enzymes, and supporting your immune system. Animal sources like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products are rich in complete proteins, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. If you are vegetarian or vegan, plant proteins from beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts are great alternatives. While some plant proteins are incomplete, combining different plant foods like rice and beans can provide all the essential amino acids your body requires. Now, let us focus on fats. Fats are essential for absorbing vitamins, protecting organs, and providing long-lasting energy. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, play a vital role in brain health, reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are types of unsaturated fats, are particularly important for brain function and cell growth. Fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K, ensuring that your body maximizes the nutrients from your food. Including healthy fats in your diet can improve skin health, balance hormones, and offer a stable source of energy throughout the day. Let us now dive into vitamins and minerals. These micronutrients play crucial roles in bodily functions, supporting immune health, bone strength, and energy production. For example, vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers, boosts your immune system and helps your body absorb iron. Calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth and can be found in dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods. Iron, which is essential for producing red blood cells, is found in meat, beans, and fortified cereals. Finally, let us not forget about water. Water is essential for every function in your body. It regulates body temperature, aids digestion, and helps transport nutrients. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day, or more if you are active. Understanding basic food nutrition is the foundation of a healthy diet. By balancing your intake of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water, you can support your body's needs and maintain overall health. Making informed food choices does not have to be complicated. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods, and always stay hydrated. For more details about the basics of food nutrition, please visit our website, enutrition.me. In addition, we have a series of books that further explain the details about the basics of food nutrition. The books' links are in this video's description. That is what we are sharing with you today. In our next videos, we will discuss the positive effects of black sesame seeds and other natural foods on our health. Please stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.